24 people per minute are victims of rape, physical violence, or stalking by an intimate partner in the United States. From the years 1994 to 2010, about 4 in 5 victims of intimate partner violence were female. The number of women in prison in the United States increased by 700% between the years of 1980 and 2014, which is 50% more than that of men within the same years. Some of 86% of these women are victims of sexual abuse, and many are guilty of crimes that included defending themselves. There is no research on exactly how many survivors have been locked up for self-defense because survivors aren't always labeled as such by the legal system. In response to these actions, we interviewed one male and female regarding their opinions towards self-defense. What are your thoughts about women being punished for self-defense against offenders?
It's very hard for females to have those same rights and the same equality as males. We've come a long way since we received our right to vote. We've in fact have escalated little by little. We've progressed from where we started. Today, I think that it is not fair for a female to defend herself and be victimized by the police or be victimized by the law or the government because of her actions. I think that right now, in the time frame that we have evolved equally as a male, and if a female is defending herself, she should not be punished, and on the vice versa, if a female is the aggressor, she should be punished.
How come some judges don't take in consideration self-defense?
It depends on the state that you are being judged in. The nation itself is one, it's united, but the states within themselves, they have different jurisdictions. Some are democratic, some are republic. That has a lot to do. So depending on the judge and depending on the state is the amount of punishment that the judge will give. Some will take it into consideration depending on the state, depending on the volume. It's a lot of variables that depend on a judge's decision.
How do you think this will affect women in general or in the future?
This will keep on affecting women in the future. It has affected us ever since the nation started. It is something that we're learning to cope with, and we're working little by little, day by day, to progress and to achieve the same equality as a male. Right now, feminism is very trendy, and if we're working together as one and the correct way it should be, we should probably be achieving the equality that we deserve. Hopefully our future generations are equal in every aspect, as in punishment, as in defense, and every possible way that we should have.
Victims do fight back, and many of them to protect themselves and protect their children and to not put up with the abuse. So yeah, women fight back.
Do you think it's fair for women being sentenced for using self-defense, and how come some judges don't even take it in consideration?
To begin with, many women don't even call police when they're physically assaulted for fear that the system is made up of men. Oftentimes they feel that men are going to think the same way in some chauvinistic way, that they don't have a chance in case they go to court, and that their pleas for help are going to go unheard if judges are males. They're reluctant in calling the police, which many victims are unaware that there are laws protecting women against domestic violence. And yeah, they are marginalized, but it's simply because of the fact that I think, in my opinion, is they're not educated enough or fully educated on the issue that victims of domestic violence can be helped.